Hi, my name is Shafqat Ali. I'm the founder and a team coordinator at Young Innovators. Young Innovators Network enables students to become independent, smarter, and productive learners through a series of workshops. In our learning workshops, we use three steps mentoring philosophy to help children in the learning process. This philosophy includes engagement, environment, and encouragement. In short, we call it the 3E mentoring approach or philosophy. We also learned that parents can also use this in their parenting. We thought it might be beneficial for sharing this with parents like you through a series of 3 videos. If you want to learn as well, please drop your details so we can send you first video.